Hello students, today we are going to end this chapter now. 6.4 question number 4 up to 6.4 question number 3 we completed in previous class. So fourth question is find the smallest number or least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. So we want to convert in a perfect square, and what will we subtract from the number so that it converts in a perfect square? To find the number, also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So in this question हमें एक नंबर गिवन है 402, ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, कंफर्म है. इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में कैसे कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है? What we have to subtract from this number so that it converts in a perfect square. So सबसे पहले हम 402 लेके चलेंगे. By long division method we find the square root. So पेयर बनाएंगे 02 and 4. अगर हम चेक करें either 4 or equals to 4, the number is 2 to the square is equal to 4. So we'll write here 2 to the 4 minus 4 is 0, पेयर उतरेगा 0 2 इसमें ऐड होगा. पेयर अगर हमने ब्रिंग डाउन ए पेयर ऑफ डिजिट्स इज ब्रिंग डाउन, देन वी मस्ट डिवाइड इट. एंड टू डिवाइड इस 4 के फर्दर यूनिट प्लेस पर, वंस प्लेस पर जो है वो क्या वैल्यू ऐसे पुट करें जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आइदर 2 और लेस देन 2 आए. सो हमें पता है 4 के आगे अगर 1 लगा देंगे 41, 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 41 ही आएगा, उससे तो ग्रेटर जाएगा नहीं. उस केस यानी 02 से स्मॉलर तो या 02 के इक्वल तो बनेगा नहीं. एक ही कंडीशन में बन सकता है, फिर मार्क है 0. इफ 0 देन इट विल बी 0 एंड 0 0, क्योंकि 40 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 0 इज 0. 2 में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 2, द रिमाइंडर इज 2. इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 from this number we will get a perfect square because remainder is a 2. हमारे पास 2 रिमाइंडर बच रहा है, और रिमाइंडर बचने का मतलब ये है कि ये इसके कारण ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं बन रहा. इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 2, 402 minus 2, it will be 400 and the square root of 400 is 20. Similarly 3250 पेयरिंग बना ली हमने. 50 के पेयर और 32 का पेयर बन गया. 32 either equals to 32 or less than 32, that is 25. 25 is at 5 square, so we will consider here 5 25. 32 minus 25 is 7. 5 either you have to double it, 5 को आप डबल कर दीजिए 10 आ जाएगा, और 5 में 5 ये ऐड हो जाता है, इक्वल नंबर ऐड कर लें. दैट डिपेंड ऑन यू कि आप किस मेथड से इसको समझना चाहते हैं. जो आपके पास नंबर जो क्वेश्चन आया था उस आइदर 2 times द क्वेश्चन और ऐड द दीज 2 numbers इक्वली, सो यू विल गेट द 10 के बाद में 750 है. नियर अबाउट दिस नंबर हमें चेक करना है. हमें पता है 100 के नियर अबाउट 700 तभी आ सकता है जब 7 पर होगा. सो विल राइट हियर वंस प्लेस है 7. 107 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 749, द रिमाइंडर इज 1. दैट मीन्स इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 फ्रॉम द गिवन नंबर वी विल गेट ए perfect square. So 3250, the perfect square number is 3250 minus 1, that is 3249, and the square root of 3249 is 57. So second part and fourth part you complete yourself, second, fourth and fifth part. If you have doubt then you can consider with me or consult with me at in the group also, and or in comment section also. Next, question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So in this part we have the number as 525. Find the square root of 525 by long division method. To find the square root 525, first we have to make the pairs 25 bar or 5. Now find a number whose square is either equal to or smaller than 5. So if we go for 3, its square is 9. We cannot consider it. So 2 square is equal to 4. We will consider as a 2. 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 is added in 2, or 2 is multiplied by 2, double of 2, that is 4. Now bring down pair 25. It's 125. Unit place is 4 and this place is vacant. We want to fill this blank by a number whose multiplication with this complete number is either equal to 125 or less than 125. As we know, if I took 2, then 42 into 2, 2 to the 4, 84. And if I took 3 here, so 43 multiplied by 3, 3 to the 9, 129. But here we have 125, which is smaller than 129. So we cannot take 3 as unit place. We will take here 2, here 2, we will get 41 as a remainder. अगर हमें इसमें ये पूछ लिया जाता कि what number we have to subtract from this number to get a perfect square, so हम 41 subtract करते हैं, we will get a perfect square. But added का पूछा है, to find the addition 22, इसका स्क्वायर स्मॉलर है 525 से, बिकॉज रिमाइंडर है हमारे पास. इसका मतलब इससे जस्ट ग्रेटर यानी 23 स्क्वायर कैन बी देयर which makes it a perfect square. So 23 square is 529. Subtract them, you will get the number which must we add in the given number so that it converts in a perfect square. So the new number is 529 and the square root of 529 is 23. Similarly, we will find the square root of 1825. To get the square number of or square root of perfect square of 1825, firstly pairing these 25 and 18, again a number whose square is either equal to or smaller than 18. So here is a 4 square is equal to 16, which is smaller than 18. So we will consider here 4 for the 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. Bring down the pair 25, it's 225. Now again, what we have to put on one's place so that the multiplication of with this number converts either equal to 225 or smaller than 225. If I consider 2, it will be 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16. If I consider 3, multiply by 3, 3 to the 9, 8 3 the 24, 249, it's greater than 225. 164, it's smaller than 225. So we will consider here 2. 2 is in quotient part, we will get 61 as a remainder. That means 42 square is smaller than 1825. We want to add something. So 43 square is greater than, we will consider 43. 43 square is as a 1849. 1849 minus 1825, 1825, it will be 24. So the number 24 we must add to get a perfect square, and the new number will be 1849. The square root of 1849 is equal to 43. By this way, we will find the smallest number or least number which we must add or which we must subtract from a number to get a perfect square. Complete further questions, whatever you have in this fifth questions parts, like second, third and fifth. If you have doubt, you can write in comment box, or in consultancy class also you can consult with me. Question number 6 is, find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 centimeter square. So let the side of the square is x centimeter As we know the area of the square, side into side, that means x into x, x square. So according to the question, it's given that x square is equal to 441. To find the value of x, we want to find the square root of 441. Square root of 441. Make the pair. 1 pair 41. Extreme left digit is 4. Find the number whose square is either equals to 4 or less than 4. So that is 2. We'll consider 2. यहाँ पे भी हम 2 लिखेंगे. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 4 0. Bring down the pair 41. 2 plus 2 4. Write the units place, which is either equal to or smaller than 41. But if we get the 1, we'll get the exact 41. So nothing is left, nothing is in the bar. So square root of 441 is 21. X is equal to 21 centimeter. Hence side of the square is 21 centimeter. Next question is, in a right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If AB equals to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter, find AC. So first of all, we will consider about the right angle triangle. We will think about the right angle triangle. Pythagoras is a mathematician, and one Indian mathematician is also there, Bodhain. Recently, it's showed that Bodhain give this theorem very first, so we will consider it now Bodhain theorem. Before that, we consider that Pythagoras as a mathematician who give this theorem, so we will consider that was a Pythagorean theorem or Pythagoras theorem. बट अभी रिसेंटली जो इन्वेंशन हुआ है उसमें ये कंफर्म हुआ है कि बोधाइन इसको पहले दे चुका था, इसलिए न्यू नेम इज बोधाइन थ्योरम. अकॉर्डिंग टू बोधाइन थ्योरम और जो भी हमारे पास पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, उसमें एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल मीन्स one angle is 90 degree. In this question, it's given that angle B is equal to 90 degree, so we consider B as a 90 degree. Opposite of this side is always a longest side of the triangle. Longest side, it's called as a hypotenuse, and we will consider it as H. Other than two sides which are smaller than the longest side, so its base and its perpendicular. As Bodhain or Pythagoras tell that the longest side in right angle triangle, the square of the longest side is always equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So other two sides कौन कौन सी? Base square and perpendicular square. If we consider it as a base, it is as a perpendicular. So इसके square और इसके square का जो sum होगा, that is equal to the hypotenuse square. यही हमने यहाँ पे थ्योरम के फॉर्म में लिखा है कि एच स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. वी विल राइट द नेम ऑफ दिस साइड. सो ए सी स्क्वायर, बिकॉज हाइपोटेनियस इज ए सी, इक्वल्स टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी इज 6, बी सी इज इक्वल टू 8. पुट द वैल्यूज. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, 36 plus 64 100. To find the AC, find the square root of 100. As we know, the square root of 100 is 10 centimeters. So the length of AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Similarly, second part, AC and BC is given. So in second part, AC is equal to 13 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. AC 13 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter. We have to find AB. To find AB, again according to this part, AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. Either you can write AB square plus BC square or BC square plus AB square. So value of AC is 13, 13 square equals to BC is 5, 5 square plus we want to calculate AB square. 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25. Is it in positive? You take it, transpose it in left hand side, so it converts as minus 25 equals to AB square. 169 minus 25 is 144 equals to AB square. And as we know, to find AB, find the square root of 144, that is 12 centimeter. So the length of AB is equal to 12 centimeter in this triangle. This way we'll complete these type of questions. Question number 8 is, a gardener has 1000 plants and he wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain same. Number of rows यानी अगर वो प्लांटेशन कर रहा है तो प्लांटेशन के अंदर इस तरह से नंबर ऑफ रोज हैं हमारे पास, और सिमिलरली नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स यहाँ पर प्लांट्स पुट कर रहे हैं. इफ देयर आर 3 रोज वी हैव 3 कॉलम्स, इफ देयर आर 4 रोज वी विल हैव 4 कॉलम्स. सो लाइक दिस a square is converted in this case. He told that find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. यानी इसके अंदर जब प्लांटेशन करेंगे तो 1000 से हमारे पास कंप्लीट रोज एंड कॉलम्स कंप्लीट नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. हमारे पास जितनी रोज हैं उतनी कॉलम्स होने हैं. सो लेट कर लेंगे एक्स रोज हैं और एक्स ही कॉलम्स होंगे. सो वी नीड एक्स स्क्वायर प्लांट्स, but it's not a perfect square. And to convert in perfect square, what we have to add in this so that it converts in a perfect square? This is the question. So आप क्या करोगे इसमें? क्वेश्चन नंबर जो हमने 5th किया था, जिसमें हमने ये किया था कि to make it a perfect square, what we must add, smallest number we have to add so that it converts in a perfect square. उस टॉपिक के अकॉर्डिंग इसको सॉल्व करना है and find how many plants more he needs to for this purpose. Similarly, question number 9, there are 500 children in a school for a PT drill. Again PT drill है, PT drill के लिए भी similar method है हमारे पास. 500 students हैं, जितनी रोज हैं उतने ही कॉलम्स बन रहे हैं. अगेन उसने यही कहा है. अब जितनी रोज हैं उतने ही कॉलम्स बन रहे हैं तो 500 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा. देन ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस आर यूज्ड इन PT. But there are only 500 children. We cannot add more children. We can subtract. So how many students are needed? Find the square root of 500. What we have to subtract? वो जो हमने 4th क्वेश्चन किया था सिमिलर मेथड से, उस फाइंड कीजिए कि कितने नंबर्स हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पड़ेंगे, एंड दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. सो यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 and 9. By this we completed our exercise number 6.4. Complete it, and one thing, show your homework on Monday so that I will check chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 6th also. Some of the students not yet shown your homework, so just come and give me your notebooks so that I will check your homework. Thank you.